We are just off the Baharampur Farakhan National Highway, and you can see pitched battles that took place between the police and angry locals who were protesting against the Walk-off Amendment Act. Multiple vehicles set on fire at this very location. This, of course, is the Dak Banglo South Traffic Guard in Shamsherganj. Shamsherganj is the area in Murshidabad, and there were multiple areas where protests were taking place in Shuti, in Shamsherganj, in Nimtita. Shamsherganj saw pitched battles between angry protesters and the police. Police had to resort to lathi charge and fire tear gas shells. Multiple vehicles, as you can see at this traffic guard, have been set on fire by angry protesters. There was heavy stone pelting, and you can see the amount of stones that are lying here clearly shows the kind of stone pelting that was witnessed. And clearly it seems that the police officials, the police force, was overpowered by the number of protesters who had gathered here after Friday prayers to protest against the Walk-off Amendment Act. You can see these stores. আপনার দোকান এটা? These stores have been completely vandalized. কি হয়েছিল? কালকে ছিলেন আপনি যখন এই ঘটনাটা ঘটেছে? আজকে আসলেন?
আজকে এলাম।
কিসের দোকান ছিল?
সেলুন ছিল।
ভেঙে দিয়েছে?
পুরো দেশি বস্তু আমি ছিলাম না।
এই জায়গাটা?
এটাই।
So, this is one of those shops. This person says that he came here today and his shop has been completely destroyed, vandalized and set on fire. So, these are the kind of scenes that have been witnessed all through afternoon yesterday till about evening. In fact, there were thousands of protesters on the train line leading to several cancellations by the Eastern Railway and diversions of several long-distance passenger trains. So, situation in Murshidabad now remains tense after these protests, but things have been brought under control. In fact, it's not just the West Bengal police, but also the BSF, because there is a long international border with Bangladesh in Murshidabad, and the BSF, which is manning the border, have been deployed because they have a jurisdiction of about 50 kilometers within the state, and therefore they were on vigil. You can see these BSF vehicles and BSF Jamans right now. This morning as well, they are on strict vigil right now, along with the state police, to bring situation under control. In fact, Governor C.V. Anand Bose last night had reached out to the Home Ministry, and there are several BJP leaders, including State BJP President Sukanta Majumdar, who is also a union minister, had said that they are seeking the attention of the central government, of the Home Ministry, to send central forces to bring the situation in control if the state government fails to do so. So the opposition questioning the Mamata Banerjee administration at this point in time for failing to have a grip on the law and order situation in the wake of these protests that are taking place across the state, especially in districts like Malda and Murshidabad, over the Walk-off Amendment Act. With camera person Tapas Bairi, Indrajit for India Today in Murshidabad.